So, good evening. We are back again, guys. This time we're going to talk about what they have done to the St. George Cross on the New England shirt. Just leave stuff alone. What is wrong with these people? Literally, I feel embarrassed, guys. It is a disgrace, guys. But listen, I will be back again tonight. Obviously, there is football on, and I will be partaking in a live watch-along, guys. So make sure you come and join me this evening for Spain versus Colombia. That starts at 8:30 UK time. I might start a little bit earlier, actually, because there's some games on before that, 7:45. There's some games on, so I might put one of them on. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled anyway. I'm also live with Rants at 5 o'clock, and I'm also on with TJ Warren and Dal at 7 p.m. UK time as well on TJ Warren's channel. So go and check all of that out. Smash the like button up. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel, guys. And let me share the screen. Because this has angered me. I can't lie. This has wound me up, guys. Not the bike. Although that's a bit of a rip-off for a bike. I can't lie. What have they done? Look at the state of that. Why have you put purple and blue on the cross of St. George, which is supposed to be red? Why would you do that? That is now not the cross of St. George, is it? I feel, honestly, that is an absolute disgrace what they've done to that. Let's read through this. The cross of St. George should not be messed with, the Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak, says, weighing in a row over the colours of England's football team kits. Earlier, Culture Secretary Lucy Fraser joined the chorus of prominent voices taking issue with Nike's design of the new kit. The design takes creative license. Yeah, sounds good, doesn't it? With the cross by adding navy blue, light blue, purple to the traditional red. BBC News understands there's no plans to recall or change the shirt. Speaking to reporters, Mr. Sunak said he prefers the original. The flag is a source of pride and identity. Facts. When it comes to our national flags, we should never mess with them because they're a source of pride, identity, who we are, and they are perfect as they are. On social media, the Culture Secretary said fans should always come first. Yeah, good one. Sounds good again, doesn't it? And it's clear that this is not what fans want. Our national heritage, including St. George's Cross, brings us together. Toying with it is pointless and unnecessary. Bosh. Our leader, Sir Keir Starmer, Labour leader even, another muppet, told The Sun that the flag is used by everybody. It is a unifier. It doesn't need to be changed. We just need to be proud of it. I feel proud, guys. So I think they should just reconsider and change it back. Nike says the shirt was launched. Launched earlier this week ahead of the Euro 24 includes a playful update of the St. George Cross, which appears on the collar to unite and inspire. A playful update. Okay. Nike spokespersons told the media outlets that the England 24 kit disrupts history with a modern take on classic, inspired by the training kit worn by the 1966 World Cup winners. Where? What am I looking at here? I don't get it. Anyway, going on sale on the 21st of March, the authentic version priced at $124.99 and $119.99 for children, while the stadium version, this is how they con people. You can have the authentic version, which is the ones the players wear, or you can have the stadium version. What are you waffling about? These football clubs are absolutely robbing you lot. Absolutely robbing bastards. 85 quid for an England shirt, 65 for a kids one. Wow. It's understood that the FA is standing by the decision made by Nike and rejects any suggestion that they are trying to or want to change the St. George flag. Right. The flag traditionally features St. George Cross bright red on a white background. Thank you. Former England goalkeeper Peter Shilton told Radio BBC 4, today's programme, he does not agree with the changes, saying, I am a traditionalist. Shilton, who played in 82, good year I was born that year, 86 and 1990 World Cups, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I ain't having it, guys. I think it's an absolute disgrace. Yeah, imagine, right? They're saying it's a creative playful creativity to change the badge. The cross of St. George is red. Why is my green screen not flipping working properly today? It is red, guys. It is red. And I think it's an absolute disgrace. But this is what happens, guys. This is what happens. You allow people to do these things and they take the piss. And then what happens is some people go, oh, why are you worried about it? It's just a flag. This is what the St. George Cross is supposed to look like, guys. Not blue and purple across the middle bit. It's an absolute wrong, and I can't lie. That is absolutely disgusting what they've done. And the thing is, there will be people sitting there saying, but it's only a badge. It's only a flag. It's only on the back of the T-shirt. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, it does matter. Yeah, that does matter. I'm English. Of course it matters. That's like basically saying, I don't know, what wherever country you're from, for example, they change the colour of the badge. Like, I'm sorry, it ain't acceptable. Right, let's say Spain, for example. Yeah, let's have a look at Spain's badge, yeah? Right, Spain's badge. Let's imagine they now change that to blue from red. Red and yellow. Now imagine they change that to blue and yellow. Or blue with a little hint of red. And then they say, oh, it was playful creativity, guys. What are they waffling about? Playful creativity. Shut up. Yeah, absolutely fuming. Yeah, and the thing is, now imagine France. France is blue. Yeah, France is blue. Yeah, now imagine they had a bit of purple on there and a little bit of red on their flag. Now, obviously, the France flag has red in it. I'm talking about their football badge. But imagine they start pissing around with it. It'd kick off. But in England, it's, oh, it's playful creativity, guys. And there'll be loads and loads and loads. I know there is because I've seen it online. Loads of people going, why are you moaning? It's just a badge. Just a badge. Yes, hardly going to stop them winning it. Yeah, it's not going to stop them going home early. Right? You know what I'm saying? Which is true. It ain't going to stop England winning it. It ain't going to stop us coming home early. Right? Either way. Yeah, the fact and reality is it's part of our history as a country. Yeah, and as much as I can't stand that country, yeah, you don't fuck around with a flag. How dare you? How dare you? I don't buy Nike anyway. Yeah. Because, well, I'm better not say why I'm here. Yeah, but just do your research. But anyway, all the more reason now not to buy Nike. So yeah, cheers for that, guys. But don't worry, guys. Just be happy. Anyway, talking about England, they are playing tomorrow. And I'm going to do a watch along for it. 1 second. Smash these likes up, guys. Smash these likes up, guys. I'm going to do a watch along for it. So make sure you come and check that out, guys. They are kicking off at 7 p.m. UK time against Brasilia. Saka's gone home. He's actually left the squad. I've got a video dropping as soon as you finish watching this. Lee Gunner channel. Video about Saka. He is actually injured. He is actually injured, guys. It's he reported an injury, didn't train at all, and went home. And he reported the injury before going there. So obviously they wanted to assess him and then send him home. But I've noticed a lot of these friendlies are being played in different locations. Italy were playing Venezuela in Florida last night. What's that all about? Like, that game against Brazil was being played in London. Like, cool. Yeah, that's fine. But it ain't at Wembley. It's in the London Stadium, I think. What's that all about? Like, is this another money-making scam? Surely you want as many of your fans there as possible, right? I don't really get it. I don't really get it, guys. But listen, it is what it is now. Football is all about the money, isn't it? Yeah, and the more people allow stuff like the badge, yeah, of the country to change, yeah, and more they allow teams to go or countries to go and play in different countries instead of their own country. I know England are playing in England before anyone starts crying, but how Italy are playing Venezuela in Florida is crazy. Yeah, but this is what happens. As soon as you allow stuff and go, don't worry, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and you get all of these people that keep saying, don't worry about it. All of a sudden, what happens is people that call it out then become the minority. And then they can take the piss even more. Tick, tack, toe. They can slowly but surely get to what they want. Yeah, and this is the same with this badge. That's why I'm so kicking off about it. Yeah, everyone should be kicking off about that. That is English. Everyone. Every single person that's English, whether you like football or not, that is a fucking disgrace. Yeah, that is an absolute disgrace to our country. Absolute disgrace. I know the country is a disgrace, but that's by the by. Yeah, that is by the by. That country is a disgrace. But that badge, that flag, yeah, has been there from day dot, mate. Yeah, how fucking dare you? And they're playing around with it. I am fuming, bruv. I am fuming. And the thing is, as well, when you've got people that are saying, "Oh, it don't matter. It don't matter." Yeah, why? What? What do you mean it don't matter? That is our history of our country, people. Yeah, and then when you've got people saying, "Oh, it don't matter that Venezuela are playing Italy in Florida." Look at Arsenal. Look at Man United. Look at Chelsea. They're all going back out to America, and they're all playing each other in America this summer. Why? All about the money, baby. All about the money. Why don't they just all play each other in London or Manchester? Not enough money, no? Oh, you have to go and milk the American fans. Okay. Okay. So now anybody who watches every single Arsenal game traveling around the world watching them now has to fork out to go to America. Yeah, good one. Yeah, these football clubs take the piss. And they've got everybody by the balls because way too many people have invested in it. Yeah, because it makes them feel better about their life. Yeah, so anyone who actually says, no, it's a disgrace, hold the standards of a football club. This is bollocks. Get rid of that player. It's seen as toxic. And they've already got toxicity in their life, and this is a way out for them. Fuck off, hijo de puta. Yeah, anyway, I'm getting angry. I'm going, guys. Have a wonderful day. Check out the other channel, Saka video I'll be dropping on there. Let me know what you think about the St. George's cross. They've butchered it. Let me know what you would do if it was your country. Would you be kicking off as well? And yeah, it is what it is. We're out. Laters.